Hello, and welcome to today's Mindfulness Meditation. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes. If that feels good, and let's take a few deep, cleansing breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel the breath moving through your body, bringing in fresh energy as you inhale. And releasing any tension as you exhale. Let's take one more deep breath like this. Inhale fully. And exhale, letting it all go. Today, we're going to practice grounding ourselves in the present moment. Bring your attention to your feet. Notice how they feel against the floor or surface beneath you. Feel the support of the ground, holding you steady and secure. With each breath, imagine a sense of calm energy rising from the earth, flowing up through your legs and into your body. Now, gently bring your focus to your breath. Notice its natural rhythm without trying to change it. Observe the cool air as it enters your nose and the warmth as it leaves. With each breath, allow yourself to settle more deeply into this moment. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. When you notice a thought, gently acknowledge it with kindness and bring your focus back to your breathing. Each time you return to your breath, you're strengthening your ability to be present. Let's take a moment to scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas that feel tense or tight. As you breathe in, imagine sending your breath to those spots, inviting them to soften and relax. Feel the tension melting away with each exhale, like a gentle wave washing over you. Now, take a deep, full breath in. And as you exhale, release any remaining thoughts or worries. Allow yourself to just be here in this quiet space you've created for yourself. Notice the sounds around you, the sensation of the air on your skin, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Let all of these sensations be part of your mindfulness practice, anchoring you in the here and now. As we come to the end of this meditation, take one more deep breath in. And a slow, calming breath out. Gently start to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the life and energy in your body. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this moment of mindfulness with me today. If this practice brought you a sense of clarity or relaxation, I'd love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's continue building this mindful community together. Remember, you can always return to your breath throughout your day to find a moment of peace. I look forward to guiding you again soon. Take care.